freak.
I've been living like this. They don't know what I'm doing.
It's time to make a run for it. I don't think they're following me. It is my lucky day today in Firecrack, which I haven't been for ultimate privacy. Oh, sketchy. Pitbike Adventures 12, boys. Let's get it. It's been quite a little while since I've been out here. I have not installed the new brake yet, but oh shoot. I was trying to kind of look over there, see if anything was new. I've not installed the new brake yet. I have gotten it in the mail though, so I will be doing that later this week. And it's still pretty hot out here. There was a nice breeze, or what I thought was a nice breeze, but it's not really a breeze. So now we're out here, and dang it, I just got all this grass in my air filter. Bro, I literally just cleaned and oiled that guy. Oh, bug to the face. Hit me like right on the eyebrow. But it has been quite a while since I've came down here. I think it's been like a month and a half since I've done a Pitbike Adventures. So I really definitely need to do number 12. I was already in 4th. Oh, this is sketch. All the water like runs through here now. Man, it's actually still really hot out here. They haven't really even made that much progress, or at least what I can see. I mean, they finished that road right there, but they haven't finished any houses in like a month. Well, at least maybe. Oh, this got bad. There's some people walking their dogs. I'll go the other way. A little while since I've ridden the pit bike, so please, I'm not that good of a rider. So shoot, yeah, I kind of want to go back in there and see if they've done anything. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh frick, let's take the detour. Here we are, back to the familiar place. So yeah. Oh shoot. Back to what I was saying is I have the new rear brake, but I still need to install it. I was just kind of waiting, making sure I had enough brake fluid. Where the frick? Oh, okay. I'm gonna stay in 3rd, I think. So really, I haven't been doing that much, just working. And I got a goat. I named him Jimmy. He's really cute. If y'all didn't see that vlog, that one was pretty cool. That looks like a new, like, oh no, that was old. So yeah, I got a goat. I named him Jimmy. He's pretty cool. I'm gonna show him in January. And yeah, so I did that. I need to get a new grip. There's like a giant freaking thing on here from whenever it fell in the garage. Also, I don't have the light on here. I took it off to wash the bike and I just haven't put it on yet, so there's this giant like imprint. But yeah. I have just been working lately. I got a new game called Fall Guys. It's kind of like a, I don't know how you'd say it, but it's a pretty fun game. I might do a little gameplay video on that. Kind of just bring y'all different types of videos. And ooh, trash can. And also, I got a trailer hitch if you haven't seen the vlog either. So, you know, I didn't get a trailer hitch for no reason. I got it for some reason. So we're getting something in a little bit. I'll just say that, in a little bit. We're getting something new. My bike sounds so freaking bad right now. Do you hear that? It sounds like it's gonna overheat. Well, I don't like those people because they're just gonna turn around on me. And here's some new model homes right there. I guess that's new. Let's see what they're doing. Zero lot line home sites. For ultimate privacy. Oh frick, where we can fit. Oh, a little sketchy. So they haven't really done a whole lot. Well, they've been putting up those. They finished this road. Yo, there's a lighter. Let me pick that boy up. That'll be the find of today. Check me out, boys. Alright. Let's see if it actually works though. It's so hard with a glove. I think it's out of fluid. I saw like one spark and then... Oh no, it works. Oh, frick. Don't want to burn my glove there. We'll keep it. You never know what you need a lighter for. Not doing bad stuff. Not doing bad stuff. This will be a little nice little cool thing. They haven't really... Well, they haven't finished it, but they've made most of the road. Fire hydrant. That's good. That's good. More houses, more houses. Let's go check on the hill. Got a nice little path up here. Those houses are done. Well, pretty much. Yeah, they're pretty much done. Do a little 180 in this boy. You know, I saw some firecrackers right there. Oh, hang on. Yo, hold up. We just got a lighter and firecrackers that haven't been set off yet. It is my lucky day today, boys. Hang on. There we go. I was just putting the flame into my thumb right there. Please burn that, not my thumb. I think it is like out of fluid. Oh, I'm burning up here. I'm just trying to light it and then the wind's like, no, psych. Oh, come on. I think the fuse is too old. Kind of want to put on my glove and do this because it's like... Oh, freak. Bro, it looks like it's going. Let me just do this. Too much friggin' wind up here. Bruh. I think those are too old. Friggin' sucks, man. It probably would have lighted like pretty fast, but those are kind of old. Well, the thing is, like, the bigger one did light, but then it was just like slowly burning and then it stopped. And I just like burned my thumb a lot to do that, so that's nice. Well, I don't really know what to do, so I'm just gonna go hit up the gravel path. Nothing wrong with that, you know. Oh shoot, some of my back tire is literally garbage. Now there's all these weeds or like grass here, which makes it even more sketchy. My thumb still kind of hurts. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, what the heck? Bro, either my shifting's bad or my clutch isn't like tightened enough. I think it's both. Wait, which way did I go earlier? I think it was like... Oh, frick. I hit a pretty big log. And then I just revved. I like this trail a lot, honestly. It's just got like good going up, going down, going around. Nice location, you know. Yo, they finally put up that fence or something. I didn't know they were gonna put a fence there. I kinda wanna do a quick rip past there. Oh, bro, there's a little cat right here. What's up, man? How you doing? The view up here is actually pretty good. Like from back there. How you doing, little catty? Doing good, man? Oh, that's scary. Same with this. just worried that I'll just, you know, like goof up and go face first. Oh, they got a lot of nice pallets out here and stuff. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't really need pallets, but time to make a run for it. I just don't want to go too angled because this tire sucks. My back tire is trash, but I don't think they're following me, so I think we're good. I really kind of need to get a new back tire, but like I don't really know what size fits it, or like if it's gonna be a good price or cheap, if that makes any sense. If there's one that's like under $100, I might buy one, you know. I'm just worried about like taking my tire off and then I can't fit the other one on, or like something else happens, you know. Like stuff like that would probably happen to me, because it happens all the time. It's actually pretty heavy. Pretty heavy pipe right there. Just wanted to do that for the fun of it. You want a little roller, boy? You got yourself one right there, boy. Go painting. Oh, free mask, yo. That's looking pretty nice, actually. You know? That's pretty good. Go on like Facebook Marketplace, sell that boy for like $5. Be like, clean masks, never used. What the heck was that? I think a grasshopper just jumped up on my helmet or something. Ah! There's friggin' mud all in my mouth. Bro, I literally just washed this bike, and of course on the like last freaking thing I get fricked because of mud. Oh, ow. I took that branch straight through the foot. It's a good thing I'm wearing boots. Oh yeah, what's up, dear? How y'all doing? Or is that what I normally say? I'm like, yo, what's up, dear? I think so. I think that's what I normally say. But yeah, Corona special. That's what we're doing out here. Got that mask. I don't know. Yo, look at that. Perfect. You can tell all those leaves falling off right as I'm riding by. It's fall season, boys. That was some good air. Alright guys, follow me on Twitch, follow me on Insta, join my Discord. Yeah, see you on the next one.